Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Libra. Libra people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Libra, in this reading, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Eight of Pentacles. The Fool. Okay, so Libra, with this card Eight of Pentacles, it seems like you are being very occupied about something. Okay, you are completely devoted towards your work, towards your finances, towards your career, towards your goals. Okay, you have no time to look around what is happening around you. Okay, how things are changing around you, how people are changing around you. You are completely focused in your work, you are completely focused in money making. Okay, and you have become a robot. You are continuously working 24/7, 365 days, and you have no time to see or think what's happening around you. On the other hand, we have the Fool card. It means your person has started a new journey in their life. Okay, they are completely away from every negative emotions or every other thing. They have understood something, they have been through something, they understood the lesson, now they have moved on, and at this point of time they are completely trusting to divine and universe. They are not even trusting to any other person. Okay, perhaps lot of people must be stopping them to do certain things in their life. Okay, like this dog is stopping this man, but this man is not listening to this dog. That means your person is not listening to anybody's advice. They have chosen their path now, and they are moving ahead in their path, and their heart is full of belief and faith in divine. All right, now let's see what is the mutual energy of this relationship. Thunderbolt. Something was about to happen, something was about to change. That change has occurred, that change has happened. They understood the lesson, they moved on, and you understood something and you have moved on. Or that's why you are trying to escape, or you are trying to hide your emotion just behind your work thing. Okay, this is the reason that you are being very workaholic right now. Okay, so I feel that this relationship has ended. I don't know what divine has planned for you. I'm completely not aware about it. Now let's see what your person thinks about you. What your person doing towards you right now, what their current action towards you, and what actions they are going to take or they will take towards you in future. Guilt. Flowering. Postponement. Okay, your person sees you as somebody that you have been through a very bad relationships in your life. Okay, perhaps you must have not spoken about your XYZ part of life with them, but yes, they have this kind of hint with they have this kind of feeling that you have been through some bad relationship. Okay, or perhaps you have some kind of guilt within your heart and mind. Okay, it seems like you wanted to do something but you couldn't do, and you are feeling sorry, you are feeling regretful about something. You made a mistake in past, and that thing is haunting you. That thing is snatching your peace of mind. Okay, so they see you as, even though you are not telling this thing upfrontly, but yes, somehow your person knows that you are into some guilt factor. Okay, but the thing is that divine is with you, universe is with you, with these flowers. So you need to be out from this energy, and it seems like divine had given you this person in your life as a blessing, but you were into your own energy that time. You were into your own guilt zone that time, that you couldn't understand. And it seems like a person who was investing in you, probably they stop investing in you, and now they have understood that you don't want them, so that's why they have moved on. So divine had given you this person, you didn't acknowledge that, and I feel that this is the reason they have moved on. Right now I'm not seeing any action from your person, Libra, towards you, because this person is completely focused on their own growth, own success, own expansion. Okay, they are being somebody who wants to nurture, who wants to be a giver, who wants to show their love and emotion to the other person, who genuinely needs it. Okay, so they are not thinking about you, they are just pampering themselves, they are just thinking about their growth, their success, their mental peace right now. So they are not taking any action towards you in present time. And yeah, in future is saying that with this card, postponement card, it seems like your person must be they'll miss you, but they won't take any action towards you. Okay, they'll be recalling the time when you guys used to talk, but the thing is that since they are, completely into a new mission, they won't be able to talk to you, or they won't talk to you. They won't ever try to connect with you. Okay, but yes, it is the thing is that they miss you, they will miss you, but they won't take any action towards you. It's like go, went, and gone. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do right now. What is the angel's guidance for you? What is the angel guidance for Libra? In the near future, you can see some changes in your life. It could be that you must be started thinking in a different way. You must be starting thinking in a you must have a different approach towards life and towards this person. Perhaps you start taking some action towards this person, because they won't talk to you, they won't take any action towards you. Perhaps you would feel that it's okay if they are not calling me, if they are not trying to contacting me. I should contact them. Okay, so whatever the case it is, you need to wait. All the things are going to change in your life in the near future, and that's what angels are advising you right now, Libra. Okay, so Libra, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth sign with this 8 of Pentacles and flowering card, and some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this guilt and postponement card. Okay, so that was your reading, Libra. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.